Hi guys, this is Organico Ketones. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach chemistry tricks, hacks, and tips. Welcome to another session of chemistry. If you're a first timer here, kindly hit that subscribe button and share this video to other people out there, and like and comment. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys the trick to find the atomic mass of the first 20 elements in the periodic table. So we are starting right now. So in this formula I'll be giving you guys, there are exceptions to this formula. So and I've asterisked the exception. The hydrogen, the beryllium, the nitrogen, and the chlorine and the argon. So though I'll be giving you guys what to do about that, but let's first go into the main ones. So for helium has atomic number what? It has atomic number 4. So the one with the even numbers, the one that have even number, we're going to use Z, which is the atomic number, times 2. But the one with the ones with the odd numbers, we are going to use, for example, helium has atomic number 2, right? 2 times 2, it will give you the 4, which is the atomic mass. Lithium has atomic number 3, which is an odd number, so we use this plus 1. So are you getting it? So 3 times 2 is what? 6. 6 plus 1 will give you 7. Do you get that? For beryllium, we know that the one for hydrogen is 1. Is 1. For beryllium, what is the atomic number of beryllium? Atomic number of beryllium, as we all know, that it is 4. So normally we are supposed to use Z, which is atomic number, times 2 to get the atomic mass, but no, that's why I said we have exception for it. This is what we are going to use for the one for beryllium, which is having atomic number 4. We will say 4 times 2, that's 8, plus 1, it will give you 9. But boron does not have any exception. Boron is what? Atomic number what? Atomic number 5, right? And 5 is not an even number, so this is what we are going to use. So it will be 5 times 2, which will give you 10, plus 1, that is 11. Then carbon is having atomic number 6. So that was, since that is an even number, we are just going to use this. So 6 times 2 will give what? To give you 12. This one has an asterisk, which means it has an exception. What is the atomic number of nitrogen? Atomic number of nitrogen is 7, and normally we are supposed to use Z times 2 plus 1, but we are not going to use that. We are going to use this for nitrogen. That will be 7 times 2, which will give you 14. But the rest of it, you can just do it with those steps using the even number and the odd number method. So oxygen is having atomic number 8, right? So that means we are going to use this, the even number formula, which will give you 8 times 2 will give you 16. Fluorine is having atomic number what? 9, Abby? 9, and it is an odd number, so we just use this plus 1. So 9 times 2 will give you what? 18, right? 18 plus 1 will give you what? 19. So yeah, so this one is what? This one is sodium. So sorry, something is supposed to be here before sodium. Neon is supposed to be here. So neon is having atomic number 10. So that will just be Z times 2, which will give you what? Which will give you 20. That one doesn't have any exception, to give you 20. Sodium is what? 11, Abby? So and 11 is not an even number, that will just be z times 2 plus 1, because 11 is an odd number. So and 11 times 2, 22, plus 1, it will give you 23. Magnesium is having atomic number 12, and 12 is an even number, so and that's how you continue doing it. This one is 13, this one will be using this one plus 1, because 13, yeah, 13 times 2 is 26, plus 1, 27. This one is 14, so it will just be z times 2. So 14 times 2 is what? 28. This is phosphorus is 15. 15 is, since the atomic number is 15, so we are going to be using this formula. So 15 times 2 is 30, plus 1 will give you 31. So for sulfur is 16, we just use this formula, and 60 times 2 will give you 32. Chlorine is 17, right? And we are supposed to be using atomic number times 2 plus 1. Yeah, we are going to use it, but what we are going to do is just that after doing that, we are going to put plus 0.5. So 70 times 2 give 34, plus 1 is 35, plus and 35 plus 0.5 will give you 35.5. And for argon, that one doesn't have any formula, just know that it is argon does not have any formula, it's just 40. So and then this one is potassium, we're just going to be using this, and 19, atomic number of potassium is 19. 19 times 2 will give you 38, plus 1, that will give you 39. So this one is calcium, 20, we just use this formula, and 20 times 2 is 40. This is the end of today's video. Please, if you like what I do, why don't you comment and like. Thank you. See you in my next video.